Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function min. Hi, Python developers. Today we're exploring the min function, a built-in tool for finding the smallest value in an iterable or among multiple arguments. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use min, when to apply it, and how it can make your code more efficient. Let's dive in. What is min? It's a Python function that returns the smallest item in an iterable, or the smallest of two or more arguments. Here's the syntax. Notice there are two forms. The first form works with an iterable, such as a list, tuple, or set. The second form compares multiple arguments, provided directly. Optionally, you can provide a key, which is a function to customize the comparison criteria. You could also optionally provide a default value, which is a parameter that prevents errors with empty iterables. Why use min? It's designed to quickly find the smallest value based on natural ordering or custom criteria. Key concepts include, by default, min compares elements based on their natural order. The key parameter allows for customized comparison, and using the default parameter prevents errors with empty iterables. You'd use min when finding the smallest number, string, or object in a collection, when you're identifying the minimum element based on a specific criteria, or for safely handling empty iterables with a fallback value. Let's start with a simple example, finding the smallest number in a list. Here, min returns 5, the smallest number in the list. Min can also compare multiple arguments provided directly. In this case, the min function compares the arguments and returns 2, which is the smallest value. The min function works with strings by comparing them lexicographically. Here, the min function determines that apple is lexicographically the smallest string. With the key parameter, you can customize the comparison logic. Let's see an example. In this example, min uses the length function as the key, returning apple because it has the fewest number of characters. To avoid errors when the iterable is empty, use the default parameter. Here, the min function returns the default value, no items, because the iterable is empty. Here are some important points about using the min function. It works with both iterables and multiple arguments. The key parameter is useful for customizing comparisons, and always use the default parameter when working with potentially empty iterables. And that's the min function. To recap, it finds the smallest value in an iterable or among multiple arguments. It supports custom comparisons using the key parameter, and it's a safe and flexible way to identify minimum values in Python. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!